In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a Tomarket account. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your browser and look for Tomarket. Click on the Access the App Now button since Tomarket is an application accessible on Telegram. Now in here, just go ahead and click on the task section. On the task section, you'll be able to find the Connect Budget Wallet task. Since there are no accounts on Tomarket, the only way for you to keep your progress on Tomarket is to connect it to your Budget Wallet. Click on the Connect button. Now, if you haven't installed the app yet on your device, just go ahead and click on the download button in this area. And this will redirect you into a new page where you can find the official website of Tomarket. Go ahead and click on the download button, which you'll find at the middle. So I'll just go ahead and click on the download from Google Play since I want to download the Budget Wallet using Google Play. It is highly important for you to click that button since there are different versions of Budget Wallet that you'll find on Google Play. Clicking that button will allow you to find the right wallet to download and create an account to be able to connect that wallet to your Tomarket. So go ahead and open this application, and here go ahead and click on the Create Wallet button. Now there are two types of wallet that you can create on Budget Wallet. You can create a mnemonic wallet or a keyless wallet. The mnemonic wallet will require you to create a 12-digit PIN to secure your Budget Wallet. Now, once your wallet is created, you get redirected into this page. Now, once you're done creating a wallet on Budget Wallet, head back to Tomarket. And here, go ahead and head over to the task section. Click on the Connect button beside the Connect Budget Wallet. And here, go ahead and click on the Connect button. And this will redirect you to the Budget Wallet application. And here, go ahead and approve the connection between Tomarket and your Budget Wallet by entering your PIN code. Now, once you head back to your Tomarket, you can find your Budget Wallet connected to your Tomarket.